Yeah, hello guys, it's MTXH here again. Today I show you how to get the garage mod. It's released it was released like an hour ago, and I'd show you how to install it. If you aren't on 1.9.9, you have to downgrade. If you don't know how this works, just watch my other tutorial. You need to have the Unity Mod Manager installed. If you just follow my tutorial on the 1.9.9 downgrade, you will have everything installed correctly. So we just unpack this file here, just extract it here. So we have these two folders right here. So what we have to do now is very easy. We just go to the right directory. We go to C, our normal hard drive, then to Programs, Steam, Steam Apps, Content, App, Depot, and here we see the mods folder. If you have the Mayhem's Bike Workshop installed, just delete this folder, and then we go to this mods folder, and we just copy this whole folder into here. Now we go back to the depot folder, and now we go into the pipe_data folder. And what we have to do now is we just open this pipe data folder from the garage directory here, and we just take these two files, copy them, and place them into this folder. So that's all we have to do, literally. Now the mod is correctly installed, and now we just start our BMX Streets Pipe 1.9 version. So in the game we can just start the first map, or some maps you want to start. Then we have to wait until it's loaded.
6.5 hours later.
So, and if you're in the map, you can just close this, and then you have to press B on your keyboard, and it will put you into this garage mod here. And here you can do like everything with your bike. You can just go to color and make like let's do a white, let's do white bars, like so. Yeah, that's just how it works. It's very easy. You can also select a material. So like if I wanna do my frame in like some chrome, so you can do this, and you can also do some polished and some other stuff. You can just change materials, like some rust. Okay, yeah, let's put it on chrome. And you can do some other very cool stuff. You can put textures in here from the Pipeworks Discord. Now we go to the parts, because you can also change your parts. Like if you wanna have some 4-piece frame, you can do this. Or you can have like longer pegs and only pegs on one side and stuff. So that's very cool. Yeah. Let's do some... what can we do? Can change the sprocket also. Better wheels mod. Oh, yeah, this looks cool. Like some fat wheels. And yeah, you can do like everything. You can add brakes and stuff. Like that's really cool, and it also looks great. Also, the whole menu, like here, he made some excellent work right here. It's really amazing, and that's like how it works. It's not that hard to do. If you made your bike, you can just press B again, and then you're in the game with your customized bike.